What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Today we're going to learn to play the D chord on our baritone ukuleles. First off, please make sure that the fingernails of your left hand are trimmed and that your instrument is in tune. If you are a ukulele player already and play a GCEA tuned instrument, then what you know as the G chord is actually, on a baritone, the D chord. So let's just quickly go over what you're going to need. You're going to need to put your first finger in the second fret of string number 3. You're going to need to put your second finger in the second fret of string number 1, and then you're going to be putting your third finger on the second string on the 3rd fret. So take a look at the shape we're making. Remember, coming at your instrument from the side is not really going to get you a lot of great results. It's really important to come over the top of the instrument so that your fingers kind of get their placements correctly and nothing is too smushed. Let's practice with this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Let's do that 4 times. 1, 2, ready, play. 4. Well done. If at any time a sound is not happening the right way or a string sounds muted, then check to see what actually is happening. Is it that your fingernail is too long and it can't quite make contact with the neck of the instrument, the fingerboard? Is it because the fleshy part of your finger is actually nudging the string next to it? Just stop, take a look, inspect each string, inspect each one to see which one's being muted, and then you'll be able to figure out why. At any point, stop, replay the video, do your practicing, whatever it is that you need. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hope you found some success today, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!